This is a Fiat window regulator. I bought a different clip because this one keep on breaking, and the reason it breaks is because the window is not straight. This little device here that controls the window broke off, and because of that the window is not straight, and so someone decided to fight with it and then damage it. This is the old one, and that's for the passenger, the driver side. The passenger, it's pretty much the same, but they just go different ways. So this is it. So right now we see I just flip this over like this, just to make it easy, less confusing. Remove that and place it right here where it goes. Okay, goes, and then this is the other one, and then it goes up here. I don't know if it goes up or down, but it doesn't matter. Okay. Yeah. So this is the damaged one. So as you can see, I have several of them. So in the past, when they broke, I would just buy one like this, okay? But this time, after spending too much money, and I decided to buy this only because it's a fraction of buying a complete one with the motor or a complete one without the motor. So I'm going to be using the motor, okay? Get in. Okay. There you go. So like this. Okay. So okay. Now we got the these are the cables that go up and down. So you see, I got two more. So this part, and then you got this. That's where the it is connected to the motor. See, that's the motor connected like this. So now we got the flat surface, just like this one. So this one, it goes here, like this. And so what I'll do is, looking at this old one here, you can see the bottom part goes in the this here. So that's how you know, so you won't mess it up. You don't put it in the wrong line. Okay, like this. And then this one here, there's a groove for it back here. That's it. And so this is where the magic happens. You rotate, and you rotate both of them until they you can no longer rotate them. Okay, you can no longer, yeah, you rotate them like this. Okay, and then you see like this. See? So this is it, but now it is loose. So now what you have to do is you're going to twist it. You have to twist it to apply tension. So, and if you're very unlucky, you might have to do it a couple of times. But if you do it correctly, if you're lucky, then you'll be fine. There we go. There we go. So I got lucky because I've done it a few times, but make sure it comes undone. Twist, 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 twist. There we go. Twist, twist. The twist was backward. Okay. After after so many twists and turns, finally got it, and it is aligned. There you go. Took a long time. Put this in there to keep it from coming up for now. Now I'm going to take the motor out of this one. All right, so now I need to take this motor. Okay, so let's try again. See if we can put the motor. Well, this is it. Finally, after so many tries, and I finally got it done. So this is how it goes. And basically, you can fix this yourself. But if you do not want to fix it, you just go ahead and buy this bracket, and then it will come with a roller, with a rope, with a string, and all you have to do is just transfer your motor to this one, okay? Or if you want, make it very simple. You buy this complete one for about $70 on eBay. But this is it. Thank you for watching, and I'm not gonna show you how to put this because I already have several other videos in my channel, so you can find it yourself. Thank you.